Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Josh from Vmaker. In this video, we're going to be looking at the newly launched feature of Vmaker, which is custom branding. The custom branding feature lets you customize the player page with your own logo, with your own brand colors to make it look a lot more professional. So let me show you how you can easily do it on Vmaker. So the first thing that you'll have to do is open your dashboard and click on branding on the left side of the screen. Once the branding page opens up, make sure that you turn off the vMaker branding. The next step is upload your own logo. I have my logo designed over here, which I'm going to be using. Brand favicon is the icon that appears when you open a new tab on any of your browsers. So you can choose to have your logo as your favicon, or you can also upload a different logo for it. I'm going to turn on this so that my logo is automatically fetched for the brand favicon. You can also choose a brand color. I'm going to go for something that's in the green and light green space, something like this. If you have the color code that you're looking for, you can enter that directly and that will be picked up. The next one is call to action. You can add a custom call to action button, which can redirect traffic from your page to any other platform or website. So here I'm gonna just have a call to action that says click here, and that's gonna be my call to action for website visit. And I'm gonna hit on save. So that saves all the custom branding changes that I've done. To view the custom branding, I'm going to open a video that I've just recorded. Here's the player page, and as you can see, my logo has been updated. The colors for the call to action buttons have been updated, and here's my custom call to action button. When I click on it, I'll be taken to the website. So this is what the player page looks like now. So go ahead and check out the custom branding feature. The custom branding feature is only available in our paid plans. So if you really like this feature, go ahead and upgrade. I'm pretty sure it will be extremely useful for you. If you have any questions regarding custom branding, you can reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you out. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.